do that? It's on right now?
Yeah.
Hello, my name is Nibbles. I like nibbling on nuts. Wait, that didn't sound right. I'm talking about like peanuts and walnuts and stuff like that, right? I'm a squirrel, okay? People think that I'm kind of perverted, maybe a little bit immature, but I do that all for the stars. If I get a lot of stars on MTV and YouTube, I get a raise. I'll move up from peanuts to walnuts. And what's that? What was that? What? Oh my God! This is my new one. I'm supposed to do my little dance. Do 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 do.
No, sure, no.
Oh my God!
I'm not gonna do that.
Oh my God! I like to party. All you young girls, just call me. Call me.
Party.
Call me.
Scoot back,
513481115. That's my number. If you get a voice message, or the lady picks up, it's my mother. I live in my home trees. I'm 40 years old, and I like to party. Woo! Rock and roll. What else? I'm a gamer. My Xbox Live account is Squirrel Nibbling on Peanuts. That's my game tag. My reputation's like one.
Yo, what's up, son?
Yay! What's up? See, I like to party. You see, like, oh my God, there's Bear. Bear's a pervert. He tries to rape me every time he has a chance. Oh my God, he did it again. Please call the cops. I'm trying to get a restraining order against him. All right, everybody,